Today, I want to show you my collection of toys that I make for myself. This toys is made with 3D printer and the process called 3D printing. This printer can print the model in 3 dimensions. The standard printer only have 2 dimensions, which is flat surface. This 3D printer will connect to a laptop for modeling the object. In this case, I will model a car, and now I have to slice it in slicer program so the printer can start to print it. The standard printer, this printer, use a plastic filament instead an ink. I will print this car model that I already sliced before. This printing process takes approximately 4 hours and 30 minutes to complete. And this is the result. 3D printing is my hobby.